It's the middle of the June. It's 15th June 2026. Again, it's been quite long that I make any video. The reason is I got the papers and I was quite busy in it. The last paper is on 15th of July. Practical. Other than that, I have two written papers left. One is on 17th and the second is on 29th. But other than that, one more thing that occupied my brain quite a lot is him and he being all this weird, avoidant kind of a shit. But today, actually, I saw that he blocked me. I don't know he did it today or yesterday. I don't know that. But I don't know the reason and anything. But the one thing that I'm here to talk or to put in the words is that, why you give people a chances, you don't give them a chances. It's the chance that you already think in your brain. Like you already want this to work one more time. You already want just a one flicker to burn the fire again. So it's not just that oh you give him the chance again, is that you always wanted that the chance by yourself but you couldn't ask it. So yeah, first thing to be clear about it's never like oh you give him a chance. No, you always give that the chance already even before he asked that, but he asked it, so it's become like okay, now I give him the chance. Second thing which is very weird I notice is that he being very weird. I don't know the reason. Actually, for me, I really wanted to end this time because before that, I always blocked him for whatever reason. I always tell him, okay, let's end this, blah, 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 shit. This time, because you always blocked me without the reason. You never asked, you never do this, and blah, 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 last chance, blah, blah. It's actually the second time, second chance kind of shit. That's why I was so much on like, okay, I'm not gonna block them. He's gonna be the one who's gonna tell me. But the problem with him, because he's the avoidant, is that he never tells you because he always want that line to be uncleared. So he came back or whatever. I hope so. He never came back this time. But because you put a mindset into someone that he always came back. So I hope so it doesn't. And I really wanted the clarification that why he does that. But I just saw a video that clarification is also the form of begging. And I think so sometimes we put too much extremeness because some people just curious in nature, as I am, you know. But the point is this time I wanted it to be clear so bad so I can be out of it. But I don't know what, at the end of the day, it's what Alamia writes. So he writes the best. And yeah, my papers are going well. The Instagram is actually blowing a little. I don't know how, why, what happened, but the views are getting good. And yeah, TikTok is still stuck. I thought TikTok is more easy platform than Insta, but I see the difference. Insta being quite generous, but TikTok is a little weird. But yeah, तो भुला जाइए दिल तो one thing is more that I'm quite like actually waiting to make the video. You make a video at the start of the year and then you make a video at the end of the year. It's still so fucking confusing. But it's June, so it's the transition month, and also I'm in a transitional phase because I'm giving the paper. I hope so the result is best, best, best. This time I hope the result are good. I hope the result are good. I hope I get into the university. This is the only hope I'm doing right now. I don't need any other thing right now in my life to be more focused on. Yeah, they can be a side quest right now that okay, well, but more focused is the papers. So yeah, let's just see what happened in this transitional phase and where this led us.